Welcome to our podcast, Learn English Easy with Lily and Ethan. Today's topic is daily routine. Hi, everyone. My name is Ethan.
And I'm Lily. Welcome back to Learn English Easy.
Today, we are talking about daily routines.
Yes, we will use easy English for beginners.
Great. Lily, what time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I'm a little lazy sometimes.
Me too on weekends. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I turn off my alarm and check my phone.
Really? I try not to use my phone early in the morning.
That's a good habit. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here. Then I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and coffee.
Nice. I love coffee too. Sometimes I eat cereal or fruit.
Healthy choice. Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I buy breakfast on my way to work.
I understand. Life can be busy.
Vocabulary time.
Wake up means abrir los ojos y levantarse.
Brush my teeth means cepillarme los dientes.
Wash my face means lavarme la cara.
Breakfast means desayuno. Lily, do you work or study?
I work during the day and study English at night.
Wow, that's great dedication.
Thank you. I want to improve my English little by little.
That's the key, consistency.
Exactly. What do you do during the day?
I work in an office. I answer emails and talk to customers.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. Some days are stressful, but I enjoy helping people.
That's nice. I think a positive attitude is important.
Absolutely.
Mini listening practice.
Ethan, listen carefully. I wake up at 7 a.m., drink coffee, and go to work. Great sentence. Now repeat after Lily.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I drink coffee.
I go to work.
What do you do after work, Lily?
After work, I go home and relax for a little.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, but usually I watch YouTube videos in English.
That's a smart way to practice listening.
Yes, I also write new vocabulary words in a notebook.
Very good idea. I practice speaking in front of a mirror.
Really? Does it help?
Yes, it helps me feel more confident.
I should try that too.
Quick pronunciation practice. Repeat after me. Daily routine.
Wake up early.
Go to work.
Practice English every day.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around 10:30 p.m.
That's good. Sleep is important.
Yes, if I sleep late, I feel tired the next day.
Same here.
Before bed, I like reading or listening to relaxing music.
I usually watch videos or plan my next day.
Planning helps a lot.
Definitely.
Motivation time.
If you are learning English, don't give up.
Practice a little every day. Small steps make a big difference.
Listening, speaking, and repeating will help you improve faster.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. Thank you for listening to Learn English Easy with Lily and Ethan.
We hope you learned new words and expressions today.
Practice this conversation again tomorrow.
And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English podcasts.
See you next time. Welcome back to Learn English Easy with Lily and Ethan.
Yes, today we will continue talking about daily routines.
If you are learning English, relax and practice with us.
Let's continue.
Lily, are your mornings usually busy?
Oh yes, very busy sometimes.
Really?
Yes, sometimes I wake up late and I have to move very fast.
That happens to me too.
I try to prepare everything the night before.
That's smart.
It helps me save time in the morning.
What do you usually do first after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here.
Then I take a shower and get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, usually.
What do you eat?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and coffee.
Coffee is very important for me too.
Haha, me too.
Sometimes I feel half asleep without coffee.
Same.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
I usually buy breakfast when I'm busy.
What do you buy?
Usually a sandwich or oatmeal.
That sounds good.
After breakfast, I go to work.
How do you go to work?
Sometimes by bus and sometimes by car.
I usually drive.
Is traffic bad in your city?
Oh yes, especially in the morning.
Traffic can be stressful.
Very stressful.
What do you do in the car?
I listen to music or English podcasts.
That's a great idea for listening practice.
Yes, I try to practice English every day.
Consistency is very important.
Absolutely.
What do you usually do at work?
I help customers and answer questions.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do.
That's great.
Some days are difficult, but I like helping people.
I understand.
What about you?
I work in an office.
What do you do there?
I answer emails and talk to customers.
Do you speak English at work?
Sometimes, yes.
That's good practice.
Yes, but sometimes I feel nervous speaking English.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, many English learners feel nervous.
How can I improve?
Practice every day and don't be afraid of mistakes.
That's good advice.
Confidence comes with practice.
I agree.
What do you usually do during lunch break?
I usually eat with coworkers.
What do you eat for lunch?
Rice, chicken, vegetables, or fast food sometimes.
Fast food again.
I know, I need healthier food.
Healthy food gives you more energy.
You're right.
Do you drink enough water?
Honestly, not always.
You should drink more water.
I'll try.
Good.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5 in the afternoon.
Same here.
After work, I usually feel tired.
Me too.
Sometimes I go home and relax on the couch.
I usually go to the gym after work.
That's great discipline.
Exercise helps me reduce stress.
I like walking in the evening,
Walking is relaxing.
especially after a busy day.
Do you study English at night?
Yes, every night.
Really?
Yes, even if it's only 30 minutes.
That's very consistent.
I watch videos in English.
Nice.
I also repeat sentences out loud.
Repetition helps pronunciation a lot.
Exactly.
I practice speaking in front of a mirror.
Does that help?
Yes, it helps me feel more confident.
Interesting. I should try that.
You should.
Learning English takes time.
Yes, but small progress every day is important.
Exactly.
What do you usually do before bed?
I usually brush my teeth and listen to relaxing music.
I usually watch videos before sleeping.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 at night.
I usually sleep at 10:30.
Sleep is very important.
Yes, good sleep helps your mind and body.
Before we finish, let's give some advice to English learners.
Great idea.
Practice English every single day.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Listen to English as much as possible.
Repeat sentences out loud.
Be patient with yourself.
And never give up.
Thank you for listening to Learn English Easy with Lily and Ethan.
We hope you enjoyed today's podcast.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.